Have you ever stopped for a moment to think about the little things that have become a part of routine? For example, listening to good music, having a nice and peaceful rest, enjoying the fresh air, and talking and hanging out with friends. And other simple things that already happened in our life. Thinking about it, did you know that sometimes it is the simple thing that could make us feel happier, even if those things sound so simple? And how do we achieve that? If we want to achieve that, we have a secret ingredient for it.
Okay, so we need a lot of ingredients such as a cup of determination, a spoon of confidence, a half cup and a slice of love, a slice of peace, a cup of sleep, 2 spoons of peace, a half cup of patience, a cup of music, a quarter of friendship, a big amount of success, and lastly, a half amount of optimism.
Alright, so the key to be a winner is that you need a big amount of determination and add a confidence. Determination plays a big role, while confidence means you believe that you can be the winner.
If we want to be successful, we need to think optimistically and add it with a lot of hard work to reach what we wanted.
To feel calm after waking up, wash your face first. The water refreshes your body and clears your mind, making sleep and waking feel more peaceful.
To fill up and keep our hope growing, we can begin by embracing the small moments that warm our hearts. And add steady patience to guide us through the days that feel heavy, so we can move closer to the kind of life we've always imagined.
To achieve a healthy and harmonious relationship, we need to have a great sense of patience, not love and commitment to continue the friendship.
If you want to feel calm or happy by listening music, you can try to listen it in a peaceful environment.